What's up, everybody? I'm going to take another look at these window units I did not too long ago. Take a look at the motors here. Still got all 14 of them. And I actually messed with it, and it was not that hard to get out. I was afraid with all these different connections that it was going to be difficult to get them out, but the blade slid off pretty easily. You can pull this guy off without too much effort. Get that out of the way. And you can see right there, that's just an Allen key to turn that screw. And there's one on that side, one on this side. Then there's some 1/4-inch screws connecting that L-shaped piece there. And that's it. And then we just got to snip the wires and it's loose. So we're going to go through and go ahead and pull those out, and then we can call these window units officially fully scrapped out. Okay, first one was easy, second one was not. Neither one of these ends wants to slide off, even though the screw is loose. I'm not sure if it's because it's in the morning and the dew is affecting it. I'm not sure exactly, but we're going to explore some other options and see if we can find another way to get these off. So we went ahead and tried option number 2, which was smashing it with a sledgehammer. And that worked pretty good. Came off real fast. Question is, can we get to the other side? This will be the hard part. That might just do it though. All right. Victory. It's a heavy motor too. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to get smashing. exciting. Snip the wires on one or two of them over there. And that's it. Took about 30, maybe 40 minutes. 14 motors ripped out. Probably less than $100 worth of scrap. So, not bad. Definitely not top dollar items, but it's in the scrapyard and we got to get it out. We might as well make that money.